Okay, Mr. Magoo, you ready? See this case of books? This is a case of books. I know, you're gonna, hold on. Are you ready? Hi, Corna. Do you know where this case of books is going to? It is going to the Humane Society of Silicon Valley. Yes, they ordered this for their pet store. And you are going to, I know you're going to photograph every single one of these. So let's get this open. Hold on. All right. What do you think about all this? Look at all this. Oh, look at all this. Okay, lots of books. Oh, Mr. Magoo, we're going to have a busy night. Come here. You ready?